Alright, Kai, this one's for you, buddy. There's a Neko party here. Here we go, Kai. There's a Neko party. Neko party. One Neko truck. Two Neko trucks. That's not a Neko truck. Neko truck. Let's see, there's a guy across there. There's another one, Kai. And another one. And there's a Neko van, Kai. A Neko van. And there's another Neko truck, Kai. It's a Neko party. Alright, that's for my son. My son loves Kuro Neko Yamato trucks. So I'm out for a run right now and I filmed that for him. He calls them Neko trucks. Cat. That's a delivery service, kind of like UPS or FedEx here in Japan.